Hi guys, my name is Taha Nasir, and today I'm going to teach you something about how to plot bar graphs in RStudio. Specifically, we're going to use three libraries: readXL in order to read the dataset, dplvyr in order to manipulate the dataset, and ggplot2 in order to visualize whatever we want to visualize. In this case, we're just going to visualize bar graphs for today, but in the upcoming videos, we're going to plot some other graphs as well. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, I've already loaded libraries, the required libraries, readXL, dplvyr, and ggplot2. So in the first step, we use readXL function, read the Excel file. In our case, the Excel file that I'm going to use today is healthy lifestyle behavior updated, which is shown here. Sheet that we're going to use is converted responses. It's the sheet in the Excel file which we're going to use. Now Control Enter. It has been loaded. Okay, now we can open the dataset from here. We can also type the viewDF function in the console in order to view this dataset. But I've just clicked it simply, so it will show up here. Now, as you can see here, there are total columns. The total number of columns are 69, but the columns of interest for us are maybe just 12 columns. Let's see, like this column, H column, column 1 to column 9, and then let's move on further, and then column 63 to 69. Okay, it will show up because there are too many columns here, so it's taking a little bit more time than usual. Okay, 63 to 69. Okay, so how can we do this? How can we select this column in R? First of all, I will create a new data set and type df, then create a pipeline, then use the select function from the dplvyr library, and I will select column 1 to 9, comma, column 63 to 69. Okay, and then I'll press control press enter. Okay, what's the error? Let's see. Okay, it has been imported perfectly. Now we will use the ggplot function along with df1 ggplot. AES aesthetics, what we want to use, the variable age. Okay, we want to count the number of responses for each age group, and I want to use fill is equal to what should be the fill? I think I'll use gender. Okay, I'll use gender here plus geom bar and position is equal to dodge, so that each bar graph will appear separately. And next I'll use labs in order to change the name of x and y variables. For x I will say age, for y I will say number of responses. Okay, and for title let's set it as age versus number of responses. Okay, then we'll use, okay, let's run this first. Okay, let's run this first. It's taking a little bit time. Okay, it's running. Okay, you can see here that we've used the fill argument in order to fill each gender with a specific color, and the legend has been created here. Similarly, the title is here, the y-axis title is here, and the x-axis title is here. So now we need to add text on top of each bar so that we can know how many responses there are for each age group and each gender. So in order to do that, we have to add geom text function here, and AES, I will set stat is equal to count, okay, and no, I'll set stat is equal to count, comma, AES label is equal to after stat, okay, and position is equal to position dodge and the position of the text. So we'll set the width is equal to 0.8. I'm just setting it according to what I think is right, but maybe I'm not right. Let's see after the graph is plotted. And if I want to adjust its vertical position, then I will set vjust is equal to minus 0.2 maybe. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay. I need to close the brackets here, remove the bracket here, maybe set theme as well, because I need to adjust the title position here as well. So what I will do, I will use plot.title argument is equal to element text, since we are concerned with the text of the title, and we will adjust its position horizontally, right? We have to adjust its position horizontally, so 0.5, so it will be exactly in the middle. Now let's run. You see perfectly. Okay, so as you can see, I've moved my webcam video to one side so that you can see the graph clearly. The bar plot is quite clear right now. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope that you would subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.